Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base website, but from that website I just make withdrawal proof. I share with you that website much more days ago. Right now I share with you the withdrawal proof of that website, and you can easily make very easy from that website to make much more cryptocurrency. Okay, this is the website. This website share with you in the past days. Right now I go to my user dashboard. Right now I have this much Litecoin. Okay, I just click withdraw. You can, this website pay you mm, mm, two wallet orders. First faucet pay, next one direct wallet orders. I just click faucet pay. I just put my amount of the Satoshi I want to withdraw. Okay, and this is the amount I want to withdraw. The next step is you can go to your faucet pay, copy your Litecoin wallet orders from faucet pay. This is your Litecoin wallet orders. Just copy it and come in this website. Just put in your Litecoin wallet orders in here. Just click create request. Okay, and this will be request has been sent, and this website pay you after maybe 1 hour and 2 hours. This website pay you instantly to your faucet pay. The request has been sent. Okay, I just check my faucet pay, or you can come here. Just I click the desktop size and I go to story, transaction, withdrawal, and you can see the withdrawal is a pending. Okay, maybe this will be take 1 hour or 2 hours. After 1 hour 2 hours I will be receive the amount, and I will share with you the withdrawal proof, like a post to my faucet uh, to my YouTube channel, and you can easily come join this website and you can easily make your free earning from this website. And this website link available in description. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free. Earning website. Bye bye for now.